Hey everyone, let's jump right into this analysis of the exact user journey we take when bridging the physical and digital worlds. We've all stared at a quiet, dark computer screen, right? But breaking down the literal first steps of bringing it to life reveals a brilliantly designed, universally friendly process. Today, we're diving into the source guide, the digital gateway, to completely unpack it. Okay, let's dive into this. Are you ready to power on? It's a beautifully simple question, but the underlying sequence is incredibly seamless. It's designed to be universally user-friendly, and we're going to walk through the exact mechanics together, step by step. Check out this quick roadmap. We start at 0. At 10 seconds, we do a power check. By 25 seconds, we actually press the button. Windows starts loading at 40, and boom, by 60 seconds, your desktop is ready. Just 1 minute to full digital access. It really is that fast in real time. Section 1. The digital gateway awaits. I absolutely love framing the blank computer screen not as some sort of problem to be solved, but as an exciting threshold just waiting to be crossed. This threshold is that empowering moment of transition. You're moving from the tangible reality of your desk, the physical cables, the plastic, the glass, and stepping right into the boundless digital world. Our goal today is to completely demystify those literal first steps. Section 2. Securing the physical power. Now, what's really interesting about this foundational phase is that our first steps are grounded in totally everyday physical actions. You simply check your connection, just making sure the cable is firmly seated in both the computer and the monitor, and then turn on the electricity at the wall switch or power strip. It's absolutely crucial to ensure both devices are drawing power. Without this vital physical link, the whole system just stays asleep. If a computer ever fails to start, checking this physical lifeline is literally always step number 1. Section 3. Waking up the system. Now for the fun part. Locate the power button on your machine. Actually, fun fact here, that universal symbol you see everywhere, the little circle with the line through it, is actually the binary numbers 1 and 0 combined, symbolizing on and off. How cool is that? Just give that button a single press. Almost immediately, you'll hear the hum of the machine. That single press is the decisive spark where physical action triggers a digital response. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact moment of transition. We immediately hand the baton over from physical actions to digital processes. The computer totally takes over. It begins loading the operating system, it takes you to a login screen, and prepares the desktop. We have officially entered the digital space. Section 4. Unlocking your digital desktop. As the screen lights up, you'll likely see a spinning circle letting you know Windows is loading. Just like we need a moment to stretch after an alarm goes off, your machine is running through thousands of background checks to gather its digital thoughts and prepare your workspace. So just give it a little patience here. So the crucial point is what happens once Windows is ready. You're greeted by the login screen. If your computer requires a password, this is where you enter it. Think of this step exactly like turning the key in the lock of your front door. You're securely identifying yourself to fully unlock the gateway. And just like that, the desktop appears. Your icons are ready and waiting for your command. You took a dark piece of hardware, secured its power, sparked it to life, and unlocked it. You're now fully empowered and ready for action. Let's step back and see how this all builds together. To recap our complete foundation, check the power, turn on the electricity, press the button, let Windows load, and log in. 5 incredibly simple steps that take barely a minute from start to finish. I really want to leave you with this exact quote directly from our source guide today because it perfectly hits the nail on the head. Learning computers is easy, one step at a time. By breaking things down into these small, manageable physical and digital actions, any intimidation completely melts away. You've built your confidence, and you've conquered the very first, most important hurdle. So, I'll leave you with this thought as we wrap up our analysis. You've successfully navigated the threshold. You've powered up, logged in, and the entire digital world is sitting right there on your desktop. Now that you've crossed the gateway, what will you explore next?